Hi everyone! Welcome to today's lesson on English speaking practice. This video will help you improve your spoken English by focusing on everyday conversations, pronunciation, and fluency tips. Let's begin. Speaking is one of the most important skills in learning any language. Why? Because it allows you to communicate your thoughts clearly, build confidence in conversations, improve your pronunciation and fluency. Remember, the more you speak, the better you get. Let's practice some common phrases you can use every day. Repeat after me. Morning routine. Good morning. How are you today? I'm getting ready for work. Let's grab some breakfast. At work, can you help me with this task? Let's discuss this in the meeting. Great job on that project. Evening, what's for dinner? Let's watch a movie together. Good night. See you tomorrow. Practice these phrases daily to build confidence in your conversations. To improve your speaking skills, you must know how to ask questions. Here are some examples: who, what, where, when, why, and how. Who is coming to the party? What are you doing this weekend? Where is the nearest grocery store? When is the meeting? Why are you late? How do I get to the train station? Now, let's practice a conversation. I'll play the role of a customer, and my friend Emma will play the shopkeeper. Excuse me, can you help me find a notebook? Sure. What size are you looking for? I'd like a small one, please. Here you go. It's $5. Thank you. Do you accept credit cards? Yes, we do. Role-playing is a great way to practice your speaking skills. Try it with a friend. Pronunciation can be tricky, but don't worry. Here are some tips. 1. Focus on vowel sounds. For example, bit versus beat or caught versus caught. 2. Practice stress and intonation. Say, I'm going to the market. Notice how the stress falls on going. 3. Listen to native speakers. Watch English movies or listen to podcasts to hear how words are pronounced. Fluency means speaking smoothly without stopping. Here's how you can improve. Think in English. Stop translating in your head. Speak slowly. It's okay to take your time. Practice tongue twisters. For example, she sells seashells by the seashore. Feeling nervous? It's normal. Here are some tips to overcome anxiety. 1. Start with small sentences. Instead of I would like to order a pizza, say, pizza, please. 2. Practice in front of a mirror. Watch your expressions as you speak. 3. Join an English-speaking group. Practice with others to gain confidence. That's all for today's lesson on English speaking practice. Remember, practice makes perfect. Speak as much as you can, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more lessons. See you next time. Hi everyone! Welcome to today's lesson on common English words and phrases. Whether you're a beginner or looking to sharpen your skills, this session will help you improve your everyday conversations in English. Let's dive right in. Let's start with some common greetings. These are phrases you can use to say hello and start a conversation. Hello. This is the most basic way to greet someone. Hi. A more casual version of hello. How are you? A polite way to ask about someone's well-being. Good morning. Use this in the morning. Good afternoon. Perfect for the middle of the day. Good evening. Use this in the evening. You can respond with, I'm fine, thank you. And you? I'm doing well. How about you? Next, let's talk about introductions. Here's how you can introduce yourself. My name is Jade. What's your name? I'm from Malaysia. Where are you from? It's nice to meet you. I'm a student. What do you do? You can also share a little more. I love reading and traveling. What about you? Politeness is important in every language. Here are some phrases you can use. Please. When making a request. Thank you. To show gratitude. You're welcome. A response to thank you. Excuse me. To get someone's attention politely. I'm sorry. To apologize. Can you help me, please? A polite way to ask for help. These small words can make a big difference in how people perceive you. If you're in a new place, you might need to ask for directions. Here are some phrases to help. Excuse me, where is the nearest bus stop? How do I get to the train station? Can you show me on the map, please? Is it far from here? Don't forget to say thank you after someone helps you. Shopping is another common situation. Here are some helpful phrases. How much does this cost? Do you accept credit cards? Can I get a discount? Where is the changing room? I'm looking for a shirt, shoes, etc. For example, you can say, I'm looking for a blue shirt. Do you have one in my size? When you're at a restaurant, these phrases will be useful. Can I see the menu, please? What do you recommend? I'd like a burger and a soda, please. Can I have the bill, please? This is delicious. Always remember to say thank you to the waiter. Time is an essential part of daily conversations. Here's how you can talk about it. What time is it? It's 3 o'clock. Let's meet at 5:30 p.m. The store opens at 9 a.m. and closes at 8 p.m. Remember, a.m. is for the morning, and p.m. is for the evening. Sometimes, you need to share how you feel. Here are some examples. I'm happy. I'm sad. I'm tired. I'm excited. I'm worried. It's okay to say how you feel. People will understand you better. Finally, here's how you can end a conversation politely. It was nice talking to you. See you later. Goodbye. Take care. That's all for today's lesson on common English words and phrases. Remember, practice makes perfect. Use these phrases every day, and you'll improve your English skills in no time. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more lessons. See you next time.